Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy.
Went and picked up my headers from the shop. I got the V-bands welded on there now. On this side, I got it welded on the header and then on the little collector extension piece that I made. And then I forgot to actually send them the pipes collector extension to weld on that V-band. So I'll get that welded on later, but I just wanted to get that put on there so now I can get the body slid down over this. I went ahead and tightened up this bolt right here for the transmission oil dipstick, and then I went and put on the new LS3 style engine oil dipstick, put that on there. I was thinking I might paint this and this color right here. We'll see. Just thought that I had. But I think I'm ready to put the body back on now. Oh, and the other thing that I did was put this transmission mounting bracket on that the transmission linkage is supposed to connect through, but I don't know how well that's going to work because of how tight it's running next to these headers. So I might try to bend it a little bit, maybe bend it out this way some, or see if I can't. I'll try to get it in there, but if it doesn't work, I'll probably end up bending this bracket out a little bit, doing something with it to make it work. Okay, I got everything lined up to roll this frame under the body once I raise it up with the cranes. I'm hoping that it'll go relatively smooth, but I'm really close to my 2x4s, my framing on the built-in shelving units. So I mean, a lot of times these casters on here, they won't just go from, you know, moving it forward to moving it sideways right away. They're gonna pivot, so it's gonna kind of move this a little bit, and so I don't know how well that's gonna go straight sideways, but I mean, I'm gonna try it. I already unbolted the body cart from the body, so all those bolts are removed already. I'm just ready to raise it up and move this chassis sideways and up underneath the body. So here goes nothing. I wanted to show this setup real quick. I've got the OPG, or the original parts group, body bushings. I got the kit, and they come with everything except for the number 1 position, which is the radiator support, and they come with 2 different size cushions. These thinner ones are for the back 4 positions, and then the thicker ones go on the number 2 and number 4 position. So that would be right here and over here. And then on the number 3 position is a little different. It's going to take this style right here, and up underneath you're going to have this. Looks a little different than anything. You only got 2 of these, so they're gonna go on up under here. But that's how these bushings are run. I didn't really find any YouTube videos or anything explaining the kit from original parts group, so I wanted to show you guys how I'm going back with this. Also, I almost forgot, position number 5, this doesn't take a bolt or anything. This is just kind of a press and fit bushing here, so that's where those ones go. show y'all what I did back here. Alright, put a ratchet strap in between the two frame rails here. Squeezed it in because I was having trouble getting this bolt lined up. And then I just used the pry bar to kind of move the body around. I just stuck the pry bar in here. Move the body around until I can catch a few threads. It threaded on. It's going up there just fine now, so I think we're good on those two mounts. I figured if the ceiling falls out, at least I got the frame to catch it, the body. I think I actually need to drop the body down some. Looks pretty straight lined up. Yep, I actually think it needs to be lowered some. Okay, let's do the next one. Ooh, that's pretty far off. That one's gonna come down. I gotta figure out the front before I get the rest of these on here. That one went right on. Oh, like a glove. Just went right in there. That was beautiful. So now, I just got that middle one right there that's kind of being a pain still. Let's see what happens now that I'm a little bit more lined up. Right on in there. Let's see what happens. Okay, seems good. So I guess bracing, reinforcing the frame and stuff while I was welding worked pretty good because everything pretty much lined up as soon as I dropped the body down even all the way around. The only thing I had to do was bring in the back end a little bit, which, I mean, the bumper kind of does that, so that worked out pretty good. Got everything down. All the bolts are in. All I have to do now is lower the overhead cranes all the way down, disconnect it from the straps. I think I was right about these wheels too. If I lower it down, I think it is going to hit the fender, the outer fender right there. The fender lip, it is rolled. I do have it rolled, but I think if I can probably make it fit in there if I just got a narrower spacer, but we'll see how it sits when I get everything lowered. There it is, back on the frame. I need to go around and torque down the body bolts, but I'm done for the night. It's back on the frame. That's what I wanted to do. It's off the weight of the overhead cranes, so I'm good. I'm done for the night. Thanks for watching Cars and Joshy. Josh out.